Hello and welcome to my night routine. I'm gonna walk you guys through from the time when I get off of work until we go to bed. I feel like I've really perfected my cozy, peaceful night routine. About a year ago, I really struggled around nighttime. I would find myself getting really anxious and having a hard time falling asleep, and I don't struggle with that anymore. And I feel like it's through a lot of different means, but especially through little rhythms that I've added throughout my night to help me with that. So I wanted to bring you guys along. It's around 5:30. I typically stop work around 5:30. I just checked in with Sam, who also works from home upstairs, and he said he has about 45 minutes left, which means we have time for a walk before we make dinner. I specifically saved this recipe for tonight to make with you guys. We're making tortellini soup and it's so good. So I wanted to show you guys how to make it. But before we do that, let's go on a walk. It's a beautiful day outside. It's a little chilly, but the sun's out. So let's get this night started by taking Teddy on a walk. Do you want to go on a walk? Let's go. Okay, we're about to go.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light...
Time to make one of my favorite meals in our rotation, which is sausage tortellini soup. It is so good. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. If you want the full recipe, I'll have it linked down below. I have a few tips along the way that I think will be very helpful. But what I love about this recipe is that I usually have all the items on hand.
Reaching for the ground.
Never seen. After dinner, I always do a clean and tidy of the house. We try to run the vacuum, clean all the dishes, empty the dishwasher, do everything so that it's nice and clean for the night. And we run the dishwasher so whenever we wake up in the morning, we can empty it. Right as I was wrapping up cleaning and tidying, my dryer went off, which meant my sheets were ready. I had actually thrown them in the wash earlier today so that they would be ready in time for us to go to bed with nice clean sheets. There's nothing better than clean sheets right as you're going to bed, especially when those sheets are Brooke Linen, and I'm so excited that Brooke Linen is sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Brooke Linen is, it's a luxury sheets company creating high quality home goods to elevate your home. It's important to me to not only invest in sheets that are gonna last a long time, but get better and softer with each wash. Not only is Brooke Linen's quality unmatched, but they make so many aesthetically beautiful sheets and bedding. I went with white because I love that hotel feel, but I'm very tempted to get another set because they have so many fun colors and patterns, over 20 to choose from. And what's really cool is you can mix and match in your bundle. So I actually got the classic hardcore bundle. So instead of buying a ton of individual items, you can save 20% with purchasing the hardcore bundle, which includes the core sheet set, extra pillowcases, and a duvet cover. It's got everything you need all in one. I really wanted the classic because I really liked that they were cool and crisp. Sometimes I wake up really hot in the middle of the night, and these have kept my temperature really regulated, which I love. They feature a 270 thread count weave, which keeps me cool and comfortable and gives that hotel luxury feel. Me and Sam have been sleeping so well in our Brooke Linen bedding. It's truly been a game changer. We're obsessed. And the best part is you can shop from the comfort of your home. Their website is super easy to navigate. They're actually having their Sleep Week sale in honor of Sleep Awareness Week. As the most awarded brand in the bedding space, you can count on Brooke Linen to be your sleep expert, bringing you sheets that are not only going to look aesthetically pleasing, but will also help you get your 7+ hours of sleep. So they're having their Sleep Week sale, which will give you 20% off all items through March 20th. But if you're watching this after March 20th, don't worry, they gave me a code for you. So you can use the code JaclynBBEauty This will get you $20 off $100 or more. But the Sleep Week sale, I'm telling you, don't sleep on it. You get it because it's 20% off everything. So if you want to rely on Brooklinen for all your sleep needs like I do, I highly recommend the Hardcore Bundle because that will save you up to 40% off with the stackable savings, since it will stack the bundle savings with the sale discount. I'm telling you, it's a great deal. I'm gonna have to take advantage of that deal as well because I kind of want to treat our guests to this luxury bedding in our guest bedroom. I'll have everything I just mentioned linked down below, including a direct link to them with my code down there. Honestly, this bed is calling my name already, but it's not even 7 o'clock. So let's continue our night, and I will be looking forward and counting down the minutes to get back in bed.
Say something that will make my day.
Lamp hour is my favorite time of the night because it's lamps only, people. No overhead lights. It's dark out. We're getting cozy. And then this is when we sit down to watch our favorite show or whatever we're watching. We have been on a Big Brother kick. If you don't know what Big Brother is, it's a reality competition show where they're staying in a house all summer long with no connection to the outside world, and each week somebody gets voted out. It's so fun to watch. The competitions are fun. The games are fun. Me and Sam are obsessed with the show. We have so much fun watching it. We laugh together every night. We actually just upgraded to the Paramount Plus subscription that has no commercials. That's how committed we are. Once we're a little bit into watching TV, I'm always in the mood for a snack of some sort. So tonight's menu of snacks is these Siete nacho chips. I love these because they are generally good for you, as good as chips can be. They're free of seed oils and things, and they're very, very tasty. Like, you would not think that they're on the healthier side. Or I have these left over from a road trip that I never opened, and they sound really good right now.
Yeah. Those sound
Should
good.
we break these open? Mm-hmm. So, you know, I would say more than 9 times out of 10 we eat these. But sometimes you just gotta go for the stuff that you know is poison because it's everything in moderation, you know?
How do you get more than 9 times out of 10 without being every time?
Hot Cheetos it is.
I want to throw stuff, break stuff, and just...
Now we're at my favorite point of the night, which is when I take a bath. I try to take a bath every night. I've done this ever since I was really young, but especially recently because I've been specifically taking an Epsom salt bath. I really love the unscented, but I've been trying out this oat milk and argan one. It has essential oils, so it's not like artificial fragrances or anything. The smell of this is amazing. Truly, it's so relaxing. I use this time to start winding down, so I light a candle, I turn off the lights, and I read my book. This just helps me get relaxed and ready for sleep and for the night.
Dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be.
I'm usually done with my bath around 9:30, and when I went downstairs, Sam was asleep, so I had to wake him up and tell him it was time to get into bed. For my nighttime products, I love putting on the Primally Pure body butter, especially after a bath. This stuff smells heavenly. Then to take off my makeup, I just use this micellar water. Not only does this remove my makeup, but I feel like it really gets all the dirt and grime off of my face. Then I cleanse my face with this Typology exfoliating cleanser. And then to moisturize my face for the night, I love to use this plumping cream by Primally Pure. I wake up in the morning with such a soft face, and I know it's because of this cream. And then I brushed my teeth with my Philips Sonicare toothbrush. This one's from Costco. It's the best and it's really pretty. I love my toothpaste so much. I use Crest 3D White. It really is the best. It keeps my teeth super white. And something I love to do is to fill my diffuser. I usually fill it with lavender essential oils before bed. Sometimes I switch it up, but it just really creates a relaxing environment. Honestly, my favorite parts of my night routine are the little things like either my diffuser we're lighting a candle, we're just getting the best sheets from Brooklyn, and it really makes for a cozy night. And I can truthfully say I look forward to going to bed. Some girls go to bed looking all cute, but I go to bed looking like Adam Sandler. Let me know which one you are. Sometimes I have cute matching sets, but the majority of the time I look like this, with literal holes in my shirt. Then me and Sam get into bed together. I feel like whenever I get into bed, I get this like really excited feeling where I have to like kick my feet because I'm so excited. Do you guys feel that, or is that just me? Last thing I do before bed is set my alarms for the morning. Let me know if you guys would like to see a morning routine. Then I get my Kindle out to end the night, and Sam always brings my water, which I really appreciate. Also, I just had to show Sam's literal alarm clock. We are in bed. One of my favorite things that we do in our marriage is that we almost always go to bed together, which I really love.
When have we
Really,
not?
but I don't know, like very rarely. I feel like there's been a few times that I've like come in here while you're watching a movie or something. This is when I wrap up my night by reading. I pretty much read until I can't keep my eyes open, which isn't very long nowadays. And it's time for bed. We typically go to bed around 10:30 or so. It's really late tonight, it's 10:51. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Brooklyn down below. You can check out their sale. I'll have all the info down below. And if you're past the sale date, you can use my code and that would get 20% off. So I'll have everything you need to know linked down below. Don't forget to check them out. And thank you guys so much for following along with my night routine. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.